So dear IELTS aspirants, to help you preparing IELTS better, we are going to record a mock speaking session with a student of ours at IELTS DK Global Institute, Pehwa. So let us take the speaking session. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Kamaldeep Kaur.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pehova, which is located near Kurukshetra.
What are you doing these days?
I'm pursuing my IELTS these days.
Okay, and what is your academic qualification?
I have recently completed my senior secondary through commerce stream.
Which was your favorite subject?
To be honest, my favorite subject was business studies.
Why it was your favorite subject?
I think it was my favorite because I easily concentrate in this subject.
Okay, would you like to study the same subject in future also?
Yes, if I get an opportunity in future, I will definitely study this subject.
Tell me about your friends. How many friends you have?
I think I have 2 or 3 friends, but I have only the one best friend with whom I share everything with her.
What is the need of friends in our life?
I think there is a need to make friends in life because we can share anything with friends, as well as he or she can also understand us and also tell us about what is right or wrong for us.
Who is more important in your life, your friends or your family?
I think both are important for me, but I give first priority to my parents.
Okay, I have some questions for you on the topic of health, like how do you keep healthy?
To be honest, I keep myself healthy by eating healthy food and doing some exercise and go to morning walk.
Okay, do you think health is important for you?
Yes, of course, health is very important for me because when we are healthy, we can do any activity in energetic way.
Are there health classes in your school?
Yeah, no, there is no any health classes when I was in my senior secondary.
Okay, is it easy for people to exercise in your country?
Yes, I think it is easy because government open many gyms as well as some parks for the people so that they can easily do exercise and morning walk.
Okay, I have some questions on the topic of dream. What was your childhood dream?
When I was a child, I had a dream to become a teacher.
Okay, are you the kind of person who sticks to dreams?
No, I was not. When I was a child, I have a dream to become a teacher, but now I am that type of person who sticks to dream because due to the need of the person, the dreams become to change.
Okay, what is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a bank manager.
Okay, and just a minute. Do you think you are an ambitious person?
Yes, I think I am an ambitious person because I do activities.
Okay. Here's the end of part 1. Now I am going to take you to part 2, in which I will be giving you a cue card topic for 1 minute. You have to prepare yourself, and then I will be giving you 2 minutes to speak on it. And the cue card topic that I'm giving to you is describe a person you would like to study or work with. Your hints are: who is that person, why would you like to study with him or her, what will you study. If you need something to write, I'm giving you a paper and pen, and if you want to prepare it, in your mind, you are free.
Shall I start, sir?
Sure.
Well, I would like to work with that person whom I am comfortable with and have a great and excellent bonding. But here I would like to talk about a person with whom I would like to work with in future. She is none other than my cousin sister. Her name is Sahel and she is just 23 years old. She has a great personality. Apart from this, she is very intelligent, and it is my dream since my childhood to work with that person, because she has great skills and knowledge and a power to face any type of hurdle in easy way. She is one of the multi-talented person in my family, and she has a depth of knowledge about various subjects. There are ample of reason why I want to work with that person and open an institute near my home. The first reason is that there is no any other institute near my home, and the fees of other institutes are very high, which is not pocket friendly for all. Due to this reason, many children are deprived of education, and by opening our institute we can also help needy children so that they can easily get better education at free of cost. Also, when we are together, we can also solve any type of hurdle in easy way. Due to this type of amazing bonding, we both have wish to work within future. If we will definitely open an institute and work together, I will feel over the moon, and as well as it also help the poor children and make our bonding strong.
Right. There are some part 3 questions on the same topic, like what kind of people do you like to study or work with?
As I above mentioned that I like to work with that person with whom I am comfortable with and have great and excellent bonding, but I also like to work with that person who are helpful, cooperative, as well as they do not keep on taunting and do not let bullying.
Okay. Do you think managers can be friends with their subordinates?
Yes, they can be friends with their subordinates. If managers and subordinates both are friends, they can easily frankly with their managers and also get solutions from their managers, as well as due to their friendship relation, they can easily make their bonding strong, as well as do all the kind of work in honesty way.
Okay. Should children be involved in management activities of the school?
Yes, I think they must be involved in the school activities, because it boosts their confidence, as well as they can learn many activities when they involve in management activities.
Okay. What kind of people are popular at work?
I think the people who are energetic and who talk in politely way, and who have a great and excellent skills and have a depth of knowledge, I think they are very important at their work.
Thank you so much. This is the end of your IELTS speaking, and I sincerely give you best wishes for your real IELTS exam. Thank you.